Pick up your toys. Pick up your toys. How are you? How are you? Don't pull your sister's hair. Don't pull your sister's hair. Don't spill your juice. Don't spill your juice. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open. Hold your pencil correctly. Hold your pencil correctly. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Say good morning. Say good morning. Don't scribble on the walls. Don't scribble on the walls. Wear your helmet. Wear your helmet. Stay in line. Stay in line. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Use your fork and spoon. Use your fork and spoon. Let's go home. Let's go home. Clean your face. Clean your face. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Say good night. Say good night. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Don't climb on that. Don't climb on that. Put away your clothes. Put away your clothes.